Hi guys, here we are at Capri for our Capri Culture Day. It's our hair and makeup competition. We're doing Capri Culture because the Capri has been open for several decades. So we're asking all the students to participate doing hair and makeup from the 1960s to present day. We have all the hair and makeup competition. All the students in the school come together. We have aesthetic students working with cos students in teams per the decades. We now have the 60s. Come on out. Yeah!